What's going on, everybody?
Hey. I say the same thing every day.
And I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the
We're gonna go see the new Halloween movie.
On Halloween. That's how you do it.
No, we're gonna go see it yesterday.
No, we're doing it today.
No, we're doing it today.
Y'all are gonna be seeing this the day after Halloween, but we wanted to share our Halloween experience. I wanted to go trick-or-treating today, or tonight, but instead, we haven't seen the new Halloween movie, and I'm a big fan, so we're gonna go see that. And we're going to pick up my mom right now. Sun in your eyes? Yeah, me too.
But yeah, we're gonna go see that, and we'll keep you guys update on the videos, and
Yeah.
let you guys know what we think. What's going on?
Hey. Let's see. There we go.
Got my head man in the back.
Alright, we're about to back up into someone. So we're about to head to the movies. Got my mom in the back. It's kind of dark right now. We just got our candy from the dollar store. And you know how everybody sneaks candy into the theaters. Because it's like $5 at the movie theater. But like we said earlier, we're going to see which way, Mom? Oh, go to the right. We're going to see Halloween on Halloween. Alright?
Yeah.
They're quiet.
Oh man.
I'm
Need
excited.
I am trying to shove candy into my purse, so I need the other candy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, hang on. Hand me the drinks and some of the candy, and we can put it in our hood.
Whoa, Bus, what are you doing?
Whoa. We're trying to
There's
sneak
one.
some candy in. But
There's one drink right there.
happy Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween!
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right.
Goodness
All right.
gracious.
We'll let you. Wait. Which way, Mom?
Just keep go to the right or left.
Okay. Oh, I
Dang
can't. I can't now.
Left.
I can't, Mom.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Well, you should have told me like 2
That's
seconds
all right.
earlier.
When you get up here, I'm gonna tell you where to turn at.
Nobody ever tells me where to go. I'm always
Just go
the
straight.
designated driver,
Alright, well,
and they always
I'm sweating.
we'll catch you guys after.
They always tell me the not right way to go. Anyways,
Back candy.
we will. Whoa, buddy, you're in my lane there.
Just keep going straight.
Anyways, we'll catch you guys after the movie, and we'll let you know how it is.
Gonna be
And,
scared out of my brain.
Yep. We'll see you guys after. What's up?
What's going on, everybody?
So we didn't record anymore yesterday because we got home late after the movie. But update, how was the movie, babe?
It's pretty good. Oh, are you serious?
What?
I only have one life on this birthday.
He likes to play his games.
Oh no, I'm playing Fallout 76.
Yeah, he's excited about it.
I have to beta out, man. Gotta try and get ahead of everybody.
But the movie was good. I would suggest go seeing it if you haven't seen it yet.
Fallout 76 is pretty good. If you haven't pre-ordered, I'd go ahead and pre-order that now. But you don't really have to because it comes out in a couple days anyways. So.
Yep.
Also, anybody who plays it, join my Raider gang. I ain't started yet, but I'll make a separate video letting you guys know what it's called, and just do it.
Alright, so he got a new truck, and he's gonna show me it really quick. He got a new truck! Go sit inside of it so I can show everybody. This is his truck. Oh yeah.
It's smaller than the last one.
His last one, his engine was messed up, so
But I got me a little.
This is the inside of his truck. How do you like it, babe?
Small.
It's small.
Heck yeah.
It's really red too. Look at you.
Oh yeah.
Yep. He got it while I was at work. Ooh. It's cold and rainy outside. About to go back in.
What do you think about
We
it?
ordered
What do
pizza.
you think about it?
I like it.
How much think
What do
about it?
y'all think about it?
What do you think about it?
It's a nice truck.
Man, I think I need to.
What? What is that? But we just ordered pizza, so we will catch you guys when we get our pizza. We got the pizza!
Oh!
Whoa, what happened?
Burnt the shut up.
Yeah.
God, motherfucker. That's hot.
Yeah, we got pizza.
No, I thought it was absorb some of that heat up.
No, don't. It has to be warm. What? Ow! Ow!
We didn't get to it.
Yeah, we didn't.
He said
All
there's
right.
marinara, pasta, and garlics and shit in here. How many garlics did you get?
2.
You got 2? Cause
Did they
I
only
see.
give us 1?
Yep.
Ooh. Eat. Bang. Oh yeah, we got our garlics. Ooh. Alright. So, this is going to be the end of the vlog, sorta. We've been doing this for like 2 days. This vlog is like half one day, half yesterday, and then half today. Oh, you're right. Is it hot? Be careful,
What
babe.
does that say? We'll have to scream like a maniac.
But anyways,
Yes, it's hot.
tell them what to do, babe.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave your name, your phone number, your address, and social security card,
No.
and your parents' credit card number. We'll get right back to you.
No, we're not gonna do that. But yeah, like and subscribe, hit the bell,
And leave that credit card.
turn on notifications. Shut up, don't listen to them. Like I said, we've been posting randomly. We don't know the exact days we'll be posting on, because our schedules are crazy right now, but
Hit me up on Tinder. Let's make this interesting.
shut up. Nobody's gonna hit them up on Tinder. But anyways, we are gonna go so we can eat this pizza that I'm staring at right now.
You know what?
And-
You're kind of like the Corvette guy. Or no, the Lamborghini dude.
Who's the Lamborghini dude?
Where you're like, you keep on saying like a specific word over in like a repeated phrase.
Oh.
Where he's like, you know what I can't get over is these Lamborghini. Got my Lamborghinis.
Anyways, we're gonna go.
You're gonna say pizza. Say it. Just say it. Just get it out your mouth.
Ready? Pizza!
Yep. Yep.
Woo! Alright, we will see you guys in the next video. Tell them
And I
bye.
just wanna see the light.
Deuces.